Hello everyone, welcome to Crazy Cars. Today, we have something truly special, the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. This modern revival of the legendary classic is set to bring back the timeless elegance of the original Karmann Ghia while integrating cutting-edge technology, electrified performance, and premium craftsmanship. Before we dive into all the details, make sure to subscribe to Crazy Cars for the latest car reviews and updates. Now, let's take a closer look at what makes the 2026 Karmann Ghia a stunning blend of nostalgia and modern innovation. The Volkswagen Karmann Ghia was originally produced from 1955 to 1974, known for its beautiful Italian-inspired design, handcrafted bodywork, and refined driving experience. It was a unique offering in VW's lineup, bridging the gap between affordability and luxury. For 2026, Volkswagen has decided to reimagine this icon as a modern electric coupe, maintaining its signature retro appeal while infusing it with advanced performance and technology. The exterior of the new Karmann Ghia perfectly balances vintage inspiration with futuristic design elements. It retains the low-slung, curvaceous silhouette of the original but receives LED lighting, a wider stance, and a more aerodynamic profile. The front fascia features round LED headlights with a thin illuminated grille, reminiscent of the classic model, while the rear gets a seamless LED taillight bar, giving it a modern touch. Large 19-inch or optional 20-inch wheels add to its sporty yet elegant stance. Volkswagen has also ensured that the body retains the hand-finished precision that made the original Karmann Ghia so desirable, using lightweight aluminum and carbon fiber to keep the weight in check. Under the hood, or rather, under the floor, lies Volkswagen's latest MEB Plus platform, which powers many of their next-generation electric vehicles. The 2026 Karmann Ghia comes with two powertrain options, a single-motor rear-wheel drive version with 268 horsepower and a dual-motor all-wheel drive version pushing 402 horsepower. This setup allows the AWD variant to sprint from 0 to 60 mph in just 4.5 seconds, making it significantly quicker than its vintage predecessor. Volkswagen promises a smooth yet engaging driving experience, with a low center of gravity for improved handling, thanks to the battery pack placement. Steering feedback has been fine-tuned to provide an engaging yet effortless feel, making it a perfect grand tourer. Range and charging capabilities are equally impressive. The 2026 Karmann Ghia is equipped with an 82 kWh battery pack, giving it an estimated range of 320 miles on a full charge for the RWD variant and around 290 miles for the AWD model. Thanks to Volkswagen's updated 800 volts fast charging system, the Karmann Ghia can recharge from 10% to 80% in just 20 minutes, making long road trips more convenient than ever. Additionally, it supports bidirectional charging, meaning it can power your home or other devices when needed. Stepping inside the Karmann Ghia, you're greeted with a minimalist yet luxurious cabin, blending vintage charm with modern tech. Volkswagen has incorporated sustainable materials, such as recycled leather and soft-touch vegan alternatives, to maintain an eco-conscious approach. The dashboard features a 12.9-inch floating touchscreen infotainment system, running VW's latest ID.OS software, with support for wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air updates. A 10.2-inch digital driver's display provides all necessary driving information, while an optional head-up display adds to the futuristic experience. The interior design maintains retro touches, such as classic toggle switches, circular air vents, and a minimalist center console, paying homage to the original model. Technology isn't just limited to infotainment. The 2026 Karmann Ghia is equipped with Volkswagen's latest IQ Drive suite of safety and driver assistance features. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, autonomous emergency braking, and a semi-autonomous hands-free driving mode. A 360-degree camera and automatic parking assist make navigating tight spaces easier, ensuring that this stylish coupe is just as practical as it is beautiful. The ride quality of the new Karmann Ghia is designed for both comfort and sportiness. Volkswagen has fine-tuned the adaptive suspension to offer multiple drive modes, including comfort, sport, eco, and individual, allowing drivers to customize their experience. The regenerative braking system is also adjustable, giving options from a coasting feel to a more aggressive one-pedal driving mode, enhancing efficiency while adding to the car's engaging character. One of the biggest highlights of the 2026 Karmann Ghia is its limited production and exclusivity. Volkswagen has announced that only 5,000 units will be produced in the first year, making it a highly sought-after collector's item. Each unit will come with a numbered plaque, signifying its exclusivity, and buyers will have the option to customize their Karmann Ghia with unique color schemes, interior trims, and personalized badging. Special Heritage Edition models will also be available, featuring vintage-inspired two-tone paint jobs and retro-styled wheels, celebrating the legacy of the original car. Now, let's talk about the expected pricing. Given its premium build, electric powertrain, and limited production, the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia is expected to start at $65,000 for the base RWD model, while the AWD version will likely cost around $75,000. The Heritage Edition and fully loaded trims could push the price north of $80,000, placing it in a segment alongside high-end electric coupes like the Porsche Taycan, Polestar 6, and Tesla Roadster. Final thoughts. The 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia is a stunning example of how classic design can be reborn in the modern electric era. It manages to capture the essence of the original Karmann Ghia, blending timeless styling with next-generation technology, electric performance, and premium craftsmanship. Whether you're a classic car enthusiast looking for a retro-modern daily driver or an EV buyer wanting something unique, the new Karmann Ghia delivers on both style and substance. With its blend of history, exclusivity, and performance, it stands as one of the most exciting electric cars of 2026. That wraps up our in-depth review of the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. What do you think of this revival? Would you take this over a Porsche Taycan or a Tesla Roadster? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Crazy Cars for more exciting car content. See you in the next review.